Alright, Bulkman3D. This is your linear rail kit. This is the X plate that goes on here. Now I can see it from the naked eye. I don't know if it'll catch it on camera, but you can see it bows. Alright, so when you take a surface like this and you try to mount it on these, because the plate is now bowed like this, trying to mount it on here is going to pull these bearings up, which don't allow them to ride. Now, as you can see, these bearings move freely. Now, just to prove you and your so-called engineers wrong, because you guys think that these things are within tolerance, which is a bunch of shit. I'm going to screw these in just slightly. I'm not even going to screw them all in, because it's just, there's no way, even with all the screws, how this is gonna work. I'm putting them in a cross pattern just so they secure it somewhat. I'm not even going to make these all the way tight, just to move it. I'm going to make it finger tight. Like I said, this plate now has a bow in it like this. Sorry for this video being long, but as you can already tell, like, I don't even have these two screwed in all the way, and these are just finger tight, like I'm only using 2 fingers. Now you saw these bearings move, right? So it's not how this is supposed to be, Bulkman. Not at all. I'll tighten these screws down. I know you guys are gonna try to discredit everything that's going on here, because that's how you people do. But you know, a lot of us DIYers and stuff like that, believe it or not, are engineers. You know, it's not just the common folk that put these things together. So your so-called engineers, probably just back there in the bag drawing pieces of paper. But look, there's no way that this should be like this. Come on. I'm moving the whole damn thing. And don't try to tell me that this is how it's supposed to be. These are spacer blocks. Easily put down, you know, on these here. Specifically designed by CNC3D, mind you. Because, you know, the seat tracks are all the same. The rails are all the same. They're correctly spaced. These things, you know, they move around freely. See, I'm not even moving the track by doing that. So You can't tell me that this is how your plates are supposed to fit, Bulkman. No way. And you're out there sending emails to people. You know, did you install properly? Did you follow the videos or anything like that? Look, most of us can read, okay? And if we can't read, we probably shouldn't be putting these things together. So, yeah. Your plates, as they are right now, stamped. They're not machined. They're trash. They're junk. They're bowed. And by bolting a solid plate down to 4 separate pieces is not going to bring that plate straight. It's going to pull those bearings up to match this plate, and then you get this. This doesn't work. So stop trying to tell people that they're machined within tolerance and stuff like that. They're not. You know, send us some shit that works. We paid you the money. We waited weeks for the shipping and everything like that. This isn't what we expect. We expect something that works. So start sounding out some good products. All the plates that I've received, all the plates that get bearings attached to them, they're shit. They're trash. They're bowed. Actually, everything that I got is bowed. But, you know, obviously the ones that matter the most are the ones that have the bearings on them. So, I'm not going to be able to have a machine that runs properly with this. So, stop discrediting people and, you know, listen to them. We are the people that buy your product, and we in turn tell other people about the product, how good it is and stuff like that. So whenever somebody is talking shit or, you know, talking trash, it's because the product that we received is trash. Get this shit fixed. Send us some good shit.